To download the Storage Hunter Simulator game on a PC or laptop, start by downloading Steam, an application that allows you to buy, download, install, and play games. Begin by searching for Steam on Google. Then click on the link that says "Welcome to Steam" and is located at store.steampowered.com. On the Steam website, click the Install Steam button, usually found at the top middle of the screen. Then select your platform and click Install Steam again. Once the Steam setup has been downloaded, open it and follow the installation prompts. First, click Next, then select your language and click Next again. Choose a destination folder for the installation, which can be left as the default or changed if desired. After selecting the folder, click Install to begin the Steam installation process. After Steam is installed, open the application and either log in to an existing account or create a new one. If creating an account, the process is straightforward, and once complete, log into the account. The Steam store should be visible. If not, hover over the Store button at the top left and click Featured. To find the Storage Hunter Simulator game, go to the search box at the top right of the Steam store and type in the game's name. The game should be visible at the top of the search results. Click on it to view its page. A demo version of the game is available, which can be downloaded to try out the game and determine if it runs smoothly on the computer. To purchase the full game, click the Add to Cart button. Then, View Cart and select whether to buy the game for the current account or as a gift. Choose the account option and click Continue to proceed with the payment. Select a payment method from the drop-down menu. Then continue through the checkout process to complete the purchase. After buying the game, it will be added to the Steam library. To locate the game, go to the Library tab at the top left. Check the Games section on the left, and find the Storage Hunter Simulator in the list. Click on the game and press the Install button. Then choose whether to create a desktop or Start menu shortcut and select the drive for installation. Click Install to begin the download and installation process. Once the installation is complete, a notification will be received from Steam, and a Play button will appear. Click the Play button to launch the game and start playing.